I am going to be redoing this umbrella stand. I've had it for years. It's solid iron and I see no reason to get rid of it if I can refinish it. Alright, I'm using a wire brush to get any of the loose rust off of it. It seems to be coming off pretty well. So I will get that done and then I'll come back and clean it and then we'll get to spraying. I was able to get most of the loose rust off of it with the brush, and honestly I took my circular sander to it a little bit. Then I wiped it down with TSP just to get all the dust off of it. I appreciate Rust Solutions gifting me this can to try it out, but I can already see that I'm going to be purchasing a lot more. I'm going to use the Rust Solutions to bring back all my wrought iron patio furniture, and I can see where it would have many possible applications: auto, RV, agriculture. I have a feeling I'm going to be finding a bunch of stuff around my house and camper that need a refresh. It covers really well. I both love and hate this project. I love it because it looks so great, but now I hate it because I'm going to have to do the rest of my patio furniture. Thanks, Rust Solutions. If you appreciate this video and found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more great products from Amazon, follow my shop. Thanks for watching.